Hey guys, Christian here, and today I'm going to show you a few ways you can increase your conversion on your Shopify store. Let's get started. Optimizing your online store isn't a one and done solution for e-commerce. It's an ongoing process that will help you constantly learn more about your audience and how you can better serve them, right? It's not about a tactic with an endpoint. It's something that you should always be doing to get better. All right, so the number one thing that you need to do is improve performance and site speed. When your site crashes during high volume shopping days like Black Friday, or your mobile site takes more than a few seconds to load, you run the risk of losing your customers' attention and loyalty. In fact, 79% of customers who report dissatisfaction with website performance are less likely to buy from that site again. Slow pages are the number one issue that angry mobile users complain about, ranking even higher than site crashes. There are many ways to reduce the page load time on your e-commerce site, including compressing and reducing file size images, decreasing the amount of apps that you use, and minifying and improving the HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. We actually made a video on how to increase website speed on Shopify. You can check that out right here. Before we get to number two, I just want to say welcome to everyone new. My name is Christian Piñon, one of the co-founders here at Bear Branding. We've been helping frustrated store owners since 2015 become impactful store owners, tutorials, tactics, and strategies. And the number one way that you can support our channel is by hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications. Please do it. We love you. All right, the second thing you can do is make the site search work flawlessly. Visitors who use on-site search are 1.8 times more likely to convert and can generate as much as 14 to 40% of your store's overall revenue. Why do site searchers convert so well? Well, to begin with, it's likely that shoppers who use site search exhibit an intent to buy, right? So once this intent is put into words, shoppers are led quickly to what they need. Often this means that they're not necessarily shopping for a button shirt. They're actually interested in products that meet a more narrowed down description, such as a red hooded flannels or sale button down plaid blue shirt. Get it? So make sure that you have a good search solution for your store. All right, and coming in at number three is to use high quality images and copy. Considering that people can't touch or try on your products online, you need to work twice as hard to make your products come alive via excellent photography, graphics, and description. You can't rely on stock photography or small, uninspiring product photos to convince your customers to buy something. We actually made a video on how to write better product descriptions. You can check that out here as well. And the fourth way to increase conversion rate is to hit that like button. Just do it. All kidding aside, the fourth way is to create a better user experience. And one way you can create a better experiences is to try new apps. Some apps that can help with conversion rates are Shop to Look, which enables customers to buy an entire outfit with just one click, or Swatchify, which enables you to easily create detailed variant colors for your products so it's easier to shop. The idea here is to find apps that will make shopping your store a breeze. All right, so I gave you 4 ways to increase conversion on your website. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about what you can do for your store, you need to check out our free training. I said free? Free?
Free.
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 Free training is literally free. And it shows you the 5 keys to e-commerce growth and success in the long term. I talked about in the beginning of this video about how some of these things are things that you just don't do once. You have to constantly be doing these things. In this training, we're actually go a little bit above and beyond on just conversion rates and things that you can do. We actually give you a lot more in order for you to succeed in the long term. That's what we're interested in here, is the long term. So check that out in the description below. Click the link, watch the video. Now, if you finish watching this video, you need to check out our next video in this series, which are the 4 or 5 apps that you need on your clothing store today. So check out that video here. It's gonna be the next one coming out. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I wanna hear from you. Again, leave some comments down below. Let us know if you have any questions. And if you like this video, of course, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.